Okay, agenda item number 15 is just really a heads up of which we have to do. We have to have it as a resolution. Once again, it just lists all your TDC full council meetings to the last Tuesday of every month on page 15 bar 2.
And just to see whether you wanted a meeting in January, Mr Chairman.
January the 31st if required. Well, I would put that back on the CEO, Deputy CEO. Do you require us to meet on the 31st of January to make sure that council business is done? No matter whether we want one, it's a matter of you want one, because we have to resolve what you want us to resolve. Yeah, but if we did, you'd give us a lot of notice and we'll call it. Okay.
Moved.
Therefore, there's a suggested resolution which is moved by Councillor Downard, seconded by Councillor Johnson. All those in favour? Aye. Aye. Item number 16, members' reports. I'll start with you, Councillor Johnson. Go around that way. Councillor Crate, well done on Cycle Challenge.
Usual one, home of cycling at Cambridge. Waikato River Trails, Tina will back for me there. That was opened on November the 5th. That was a good opening for that. Traffickins. I went to a conference at Claudelands on traffic and safety for roads and stuff like that. And my normal one, the mobility group, who are a nice group to go to. That's me.
Thank you, Councillor Craig. Councillor Downard.
I just highlight that got unanimously passed that group civil defence emergency management meeting yesterday up in Hamilton, that the Waikato rates for civil defence will rise from $2.43 to $5.10 the next annual plan, so another little rate increase for our, but it's only one bottle of milk, I've been told, so like the velodrome, go with the velodrome. So yeah, so some more rate rises. Yeah, all good. No, that's me.
Councillor Minship.
I've been to Upper Waikato catchment, which is obviously water's a hot topic these days. The sports awards, of course, a few of us went along there. That was a brilliant night to celebrate the high achievers in sport. And yesterday was at land transport, and out of that, just out of interest for most, you might know already that they're going to turn the sod for the Atamari Bridge in the new year. So that's all good news going forward. And the other thing was just a request from Leo Tooman, who's the police advocate on the safety, just saying that he'd love to see council take more of an advocacy in encouraging education and safety on the roads, especially with Christmas, New Year. He thinks it's a role that we could play in the new year a lot more.